Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You'll begin by powering the Outlander's infotainment. Turn the key to ACC or start the engine so the system boots fully. Once it powers, make sure the GPS antenna or internal module is active. This lets the unit get satellites quickly. You should also confirm map data is available on SD or internal storage. If not, insert the map card. Now tap the Home or Map button to bring up the navigation screen and prepare to enter a destination. You'll now enter the address. Tap Map, choose Destination, then Address or Point of Interest. If you prefer faster input, use Recent or Favorites or press the Voice button and speak a clear address. Voice reduces typing errors. Once the destination loads, review route options and change preferences. Fastest versus shortest, avoid highways or tolls, and set departure time if available. Make sure you confirm the chosen route on screen, so guidance begins with turn-by-turn directions. You'll follow turn-by-turn prompts. Adjust voice volume and language in settings so prompts are clear. If you miss a turn, the unit recalculates automatically. If it doesn't, press Recalculate or re-enter the destination. When you arrive, tap End or Stop navigation to clear guidance. If you lose GPS signal or the map shows your position drifting, reboot the infotainment system and verify the antenna connection. If problems persist, swap the map SD card or consult a dealer for a firmware update.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.